Yo, hey, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Young KD back at it again. In today's video, I'm gonna be bringing y'all that Polo G preset. Hey, I know it's been a hot minute since I did a rapper preset, so y'all know I had to bounce back with this one, man. And it was worth the wait. But I ain't gonna waste no time. Let me show y'all what the preset sounds like now. Sheesh! Hey, y'all heard the preset, man. So y'all see it's no cap in my rap. That preset is the truth. So right now, let me show y'all the preset and everything I got on it. And by the way, man, yes, that's really Polo G. That's not me. But it will sound good on anybody. I'm just using Polo G raw vocals just to show you how I can turn Polo G into Polo G. If you know what I'm saying. Make him sound better. Because when you hear these folk songs, I mean, they record just like us. It don't sound good coming in. But once you mix it, throw a little Autotune, throw some effects on it, it sound nice. Now let me show y'all everything I got on this preset right now. The first thing I started this preset off with was the graphic EQ. We trying to go ahead and shape the vocal out, get the vocal sounding clean off rip. So that's what we going for right here. We taking out a lot of this muddiness, that 100 to like 400 hertz. That's where all the mud is in the vocals. So we taking some of that out accordingly. We took some of the mids out. And we also did a little presence boost at 6.4K. At 6.4K, that'll just bring your voice out a little bit, give it a little presence, a slight bit of brightness. All right, bet. So after that graphic EQ, we added another EQ, the EQ3M. Hey man, y'all already know how I do. On the EQ3M, I'm really just taking out some more mid-range, doing some more control in the mid-range. This vocal still sounded like real mid-rangey, real honky sounding tone. It's really hard to explain. So when y'all use this preset, just turn this on and off and you'll definitely hear the big difference. It sounds much better, much more clean and clear with this mid-range ducked a little bit. I got it ducked around like 2500 hertz, something like that. That's usually the sweet spot. But y'all could obviously sweep around and try to find the perfect spot where it sounds the best. Man, but after that, it's time to add some brightness. So we went with the exciter. Here are the settings I got for the exciter. Hey, Bandlab need to give us some more plugins to boost the highs up, you know what I'm saying? I know they're gonna give us something eventually, but I'm just patiently waiting, man. I'm tired of making the same little stuff on the presets. We need new effects, you know what I'm saying? But the exciter definitely does make the vocals pop out, make it brighter. It really adds some excitement. That's why they call it the exciter. Yeah, man, y'all already know what time it is. Now it's time to add a de-esser. Now that we got the vocal sounding nice and crispy, a lot of the S's are very, very likely to be poking through. So we threw the de-esser on. Hey, I usually put the de-esser right here at this frequency. I don't even change it like that. 5506. I put it anywhere from like -20 to -25, depending on how essy the vocal is. And it always worked for me, y'all. So if y'all using the de-esser, put it at 5506 and just play around with the threshold. I'm telling y'all, it's a sweet spot. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie, man. Y'all hear how the preset sounded? It's not harsh at all. Yeah, man, so after that de-esser, y'all know we had to add the compression. The TechLab BA keeps the vocals dynamic. Well, it controls the dynamics, keeps the vocals more consistent. So if you got that really loud part, it'll squash down on it and make it consistent with the rest of the track. Simple as that, man. That's why we add the compressor on. Next up, we got another compressor to make this vocal pop, man, the BL1176. I use this compressor a lot. It brings a lot of volume, makes the vocal pop out. We got a 4:1 ratio, fast attack, medium release. Hey man, here are the settings I got. Gotta have the compressor. Yeah man, now it's time for that reverb. Here are the reverb settings I got. Hey, if the reverb ain't perfect for you, Y'all know what to do, just change it up. If it's too much, turn it down. If it's not enough, bring it up some, man. Hey, but the reverb is your best friend on this Polo G preset. It could really have them vocals sounding real melodic, and that's type rapper Polo G is. He more of a singer type rapper, like Lucci a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Melodic with it. So the reverb definitely does play a big role in that melodic sound. And also the reverb really helps make your vocals blend in with the beat better, man. If you turn the reverb off, you will see what I'm saying. It just don't fit in that beat. Yeah, man, so after the reverb, we want that larger than life sound, so we added the stereo wise. Hey, the stereo wise will just make your vocal sound a lot wider, a lot fuller. But don't go overboard, man. Here's what I got it on. Just make some vocals, you know what I'm saying, feel a lot, sound better in the headphones. Yes, sir. So after that stereo wise, the last thing we did, we added some delay. I went with the D-Delay Plus. Here are the settings I got. It's nothing crazy. You can't really hear the delay too much. It's just to fill the vocal out and make it sound more full. Hey, so y'all copy these settings down, man. Or y'all can just go ahead and download the preset. It'll be linked in the comments down below. Hey, man, if y'all like the preset and y'all found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Helps the channel out a whole lot, man. We trying to hit 10K this year, man. And y'all just keep running it up. I'm gonna keep dropping these presets and these tutorials. No